I really want to push a little bit more further than just history, but start teaching some of those ethics, some of those values. How do we integrate those into the curriculum?
It's in philosophy. If you teach philosophy, that's where the ethics is. They separated everything.
Yeah.
And so it's in philosophy, and where you get that, most people are told to take philosophy courses is for law. And but you have to start looking at all of it as science. It's kind of weird, because I went into nursing, and then I ended up having to do the 4 directions, and then I thought about going to journalism, but I still wanted to stay in medicine because of my mom. So I thought I would take psychology, and it was just such an opposite of everything we teach. And so I moved out of that, and I thought, well, maybe pharmacology, pharmacists, you know, and even just how they treated the body with the drugs. It was just wrong. And so I ended up, and then I thought, well, maybe laws. I took a federal Indian law summer class. And that was useful. But then in looking at lawyer's ethics, there isn't really a lawyer's, it's a different definition of ethics. You know, when you talk about ethics, it's so different than ours.
Right.
Because our ethics begin with the earth, with even just making sure that everything is okay before we do anything, move on. And that's what I tell people when I'm writing to try to explain it. And it's like, we were the first environmentalists. Traditionally, that's the core of us, and yes, some of us don't practice it anymore. But you have to understand where that came from. After the genocide and the Holocaust, then there was this huge amount of child abuse and just human suffering that we went through. And so it's always